In this part, we are going to talk about how to use FlatList and also pull to refresh. But first, we have to delete the unnecessary code. And then we are going to use the FlatList. And see it already imported from the React Native. And then we add some CSS here. Since we will go to fetch the data from the API, so we have to use the useState. And then we create the photos and also set photos, which is equal to useState. And we just have the empty array first. And because we do not want to fetch the data, so we have to go to the JSON placeholder, and we go to search the photos, and then we just copy the first two JSON objects, and then we paste inside this array. So now we get the two dummy data, and within the FlatList there are a few properties that we need to set. First is the data. Data is the array that we need to put, in this case, which is the photo array. So we have to paste the photos here. And the other is the render item. And we have to destructure the item, and then since each row we just want to output a text, so we put a text here, and then we paste the item dot title, because we just want to output the title here. And also we need a key extractor, which is equal to item, then item.id. Normally this should be item.id already okay. However, as you can see, our ID is number rather than a string, so we need to put a toString here. So now maybe we can take a look on the app. So we do the export start, and then we use the iPhone. Now you can see the two title already exist here. Because this is the dummy data, you may feel a little bit weird. You can see the title is, the first one is here, the second one is here. So this is working fine. And since in the next part we will not use just a text, we will use some beautiful card instead of text, we can extract this item outside here. And this is not item, this time is photo, because this one we name it as photo. So now we do not need this. We use the item, random item here, and click save. Now you see the app still working fine. So this is how to use the FlatList.